Hey, this will be a video chart on KATX. Been getting quite a few people asking if I can update the chart after its recent moves, and so that's what I'm going to be here for. I do have to use a kind of a scrunched up chart like this because we're going to have to go back quite a ways into the past in order to find where these new support levels are and so forth. But without sugarcoating things, things have kind of gone the way of the bears in terms of levels that we want to see hold. If you've watched my past videos, you know that I was talking about this level right here quite a bit and saying that as long as this level held, then things were still hanging in there because this was kind of the bottom of what we had as a pennant or flag formation that was pulling or forming. But unfortunately, when it did fail here, you can see that the price dropped pretty quickly and is now consolidating quite a bit lower than where this key area of support was. But nonetheless, I know that a lot of people are still in it, so I want to get things updated now. The good news, if I can find any, would be it's looking like this could be a possible bottom after this, very drastic and quick fall. And you can see it was on pretty big volume. Things seem to have leveled out here, right here at this area, which is around 8 cents, 7.5, whatever you want to call it. So maybe this is the bottom. Still a lot of work to be done. Unfortunately, all the moving averages are now above you, meaning that they're all going to be acting as resistances. And the key thing really right now for the bulls is getting back above this orange line here. This had been this was a key area of support, and unfortunately it fell right here, and you can see that now the price is struggling to get back above it. So the sooner that the price can get back above the 200-day, the stronger it's going to look. The more eyes and radars, will probably get alerted to it because stocks breaking above and closing above their 200, that's a good looking sign. So short term though, the key thing is to continue to hold this low. Not to state the obvious, but I'd rather have a price at least just go sideways rather than keep on going down, and it has been doing that, so that's a good sign. But that's going to continue to need to be the case here of this support level holding. Now the main question I got is if the chart makes another leg to the downside, where is the next area of support? And looking at the chart, like I said, have to go all the way back here to the winter time, February, March. But the next main area of support is going to be down here at 5 cents. And yes, that's a pretty far fall, but when a chart makes a huge, gigantic move like this, it does create some pretty big gaps within the areas of support. And I'll explain where this 5 cent level is coming from. First, I'll change that to green for support. But like I said, if we go back here and look back in even January, you can see the price made this nice move here, and then multiple times, it consolidated around 5 cents here. When it pulled back, you can see about a week and a half of consolidation right there. Came down once again, about another week, just hovering right around this 5 cent level. Pulled back again, once more. Didn't exactly hit it, but within the same region. And then it finally took off on this monstrous move. So this is where it was just a resistance, and then when it became support, it proved to be a very solid area. As you can see, multiple times the price was able to hold up there. So if this 8 cent level, 7.5 cent, whatever you want to call it, does not hold, then I'm looking for the price to probably drop down here and hopefully find support down at the 5 cent level. So to answer the question of if this area doesn't hold, where's the next support, 5 cents would be the answer. So that's where the chart currently stands. Like I said, this bull flag, bull pennant, whatever you want to call it, has been violated since this level's gone, and seeing that 200 days violated, that needs to be corrected as soon as possible. So the sooner the bulls can get up back above this orange line, the better for the chart, and the better for everybody checking and looking into the company. So if there are any other questions on the chart or any other things that I may have missed, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety of something for everybody. We've been making some good money together with our alerts, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was KATX. Thanks for listening.